Hey Amazon, let's do a review of the WORDIMA USB C 4-port multifunctional converter. As you can see, I have a MacBook Pro and I live the dongle lifestyle. So everything I have to connect via these USB-C ports, and so this little handy tool is right on time. It's just what the doctor ordered. So let's open it up and take a look. Give me 1 second to get it open. It's very fancy packaging, very durable packaging, I will say. There's a if you leave a review, you'll get a $10 gift card from the store. Okay, that's real neat. Let's see what else we have here. Fancy little paper here. All right, there's your product there, guys. This is some nice packaging. Very sturdy, very heavy duty. They didn't go cheap on the packaging. And I've already played with this, so I'm not going to pretend like this is my first time, but I'm showing you guys how nice this product is. Look at that. This is heavy duty, and when I say heavy duty, I don't mean heavy as in bulky. I mean heavy duty as in durable. Something that you're going to be able to throw in your bag, pull it out when needed, and hook up to your MacBook or any laptop that uses the USB-C ports. That port just pops out there. Then, of course, you plug it into your laptop. I'll plug it into mine, and we'll test it out. Let's see, can I look at some of my drone videos on this? So give me a second. I'll get my memory card loaded. All right. Let's see how easy this is, guys. Okay, it's loading up. Let's see if we can pull this file up on the computer. All right, there it is. Let's find a couple. I do drone photography on the side. Let's find a couple drone photography pictures to show. Better yet, I'll show you a movie shot with my drone. Remember, I'm using the WORDIMA USB C 4-port multifunctional converter. It's a must-have for anybody with a MacBook or any computer with a USB-C port. Look at that. Pulled it up in no time, connected it, loaded my memory card. A lot of time I have to do this on the fly. I use my drone in my real estate business, so I'm always on the go. Always got my laptop with me. Always got my camera and my memory card and stuff. So that was very simple. There's also an additional port for charging, even though you don't have that issue with the MacBook Pros, but with your smaller Macs, the regular 12-inch MacBooks, they only have a single port, so you can still charge and use your available the other 3 available USB ports. So that's awesome, guys. I give this a 2 thumbs up. 5 stars, whatever you want, the highest scale I can give, because this is very needed. It was very affordable and very doable. Will definitely be used regularly in my day-to-day. Thank you, guys.